Hi everyone and welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a really common task, connecting a domain you bought on Godaddy to your website hosted on Netlify. It might sound a bit technical, but I promise it's a very quick and straightforward process. By following these steps, you'll have your professional custom domain pointing directly to your awesome Netlify site in no time. Let's get started. The very first thing we need to do is get the unique instructions from Netlify. To do this, log into your Netlify account and navigate to the dashboard for the specific site you want to connect. Find and click on Site Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Domain Management section, and from there, select Domains. You will see a button that says Add a Domain or Add Custom Domain. Click on it and type in the domain name you own, for example, mycoolwebsite.com, then add it. Netlify will then verify the domain and present you with a list of 4 name servers. These usually look something like dns1.p01.endzone.net. These addresses are incredibly important, as they act like a signpost, telling the entire internet that Netlify is now in charge of directing traffic for your domain. Keep this browser tab open, as we will need to copy these name servers very soon. Next, it's time to head over to Godaddy. Open a new tab and log into your Godaddy account. Once you're in, find the My Products page, which is where all your purchased domains are listed. Locate the exact domain you want to connect to Netlify and click on the DNS button or link right next to it. This action takes you to the DNS management page for that specific domain, which is the control panel for all its settings. Now for the main step, changing the name servers. On the Godaddy DNS management page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Nameservers. You'll notice it's currently using the default Godaddy Nameservers. We need to update this. Click on the Change button. Godaddy will likely show you a standard warning about the risks of changing name servers. You can safely acknowledge and continue past it. You'll then be presented with a choice. You want to select the option that says, I'll use my own name servers or something similar. This will reveal 2 empty fields. Now, switch back to your Netlify tab, carefully copy the first name server, and paste it into the first field on Godaddy. Repeat this for the second name server. Since Netlify provides 4 name servers for increased reliability and speed, you'll need to click the Add Name Server button twice to create 2 more empty fields. Copy and paste the third and fourth name servers from Netlify into these new spots. Before you save, quickly double-check that all 4 addresses have been copied perfectly, with no typos or extra spaces. Once you're confident, hit the Save button. The final step is simply to wait. These changes aren't instant. They have to update across servers all over the world in a process called DNS propagation. This can take as little as 30 minutes or, in some rare cases, up to 48 hours, so a little patience is key. You can check the status back in your Netlify domain settings. Eventually, it will update to show that your domain is successfully pointing to their servers, and Netlify will also automatically provision a free SSL certificate for you, securing your site with HTTPS. Once you can visit your domain in your browser and see your Netlify site, you'll know the connection is complete. So there you have it, a simple guide to get your site looking professional with a custom domain. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more web development tips and guides. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.